Hello my angels, subscribe to my obsession and press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss any update.
Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm here with a clothing and accessories haul. So recently I polled on community tab if you want me to do a lookbook or a haul. So you guys voted for haul, so here it is and I hope you guys will surely enjoy this clothing and accessories haul. So let's begin with it, but before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so whenever I'm uploading a video you'll be notified. And don't forget to give this video a like if you really enjoyed this video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this video. So yeah, let's start with the haul now, and this is the first piece I am going to show you, and this is the Palazzo top. It's a very beautiful black and white top. I really like black and white, and this is a very pretty top as you can already see. So this is how it looks. Actually this is not my purchased, but this is my Masi. She gifted me, and even it is so perfect for summer because it's so soft and so light. I really love wearing this, and so this is the first one. So the second item is here, and this is a dress material basically. Like this is a kurti and it's cotton. I'm making this by myself. I'm still not done and I'm still left with hemming, and this is how the kurti looks. It's perfect for summers. You can just wear this, wear a leggings and a dupatta. You know, there are some days you really don't want to do so much and you want to just wear something very light. So this is a perfect cotton material. This is a Rajasthani work if I'm not wrong. And one of my other Masi, she gifted me this material and it is so pretty. I am still making this. So yeah, this is the second item. And then I have this palazzo right here. So this is a printed white and blue palazzo, and this one is from Pantaloons if I am not wrong. Yeah, this is from Pantaloons, and this is a very soft material again and perfect for summers. So this is another one. And then I have jeans right here, and this is a mango jeans. So here you go. It is slim fit. So I really love wearing jeans, like whatever season it is. I love wearing jeans. If it's summer, I'll just wear a jeans and a normal top, and I'll tie my hair on ponytail or you know a bun, and I'm sorted out with it because I really love wearing jeans. So this is the one I got it from Mango, and the next one is again a Zara jeans. I love wearing jeans a lot. As I told you, this is again a slim fit jeans. So this is how it looks. Just the plain basic black jeans. I wanted it, so there it is. And then I have got another jeans. Like I got all the lowers this time. I don't know what happened to me. I did not get anything for top. But then this is another jeans from Zara itself, and again it's a slim fit. So here it is. And I tried this jeans with this top. Both of this look so good together. I can't even tell you. Like I wore this too. I wore my H&M boots and my bag is black, as you have already seen my what's in my bag. I showed you my bag and I was carrying that bag. It was looking so good and I did not get chance to go out. I was just trying at home and I was like, oh man, I'm in love with this combination. So yeah, here this is. And then I have another jeans which my nanny, she forced me to take this, like my mom's Masi, and she's like, take this because it is so beautiful and you know how to carry such kind of stuff. So go for this. It's gotta look really nice, and this is from Global Desi and it is really colorful. I love this because of the fit. Each and every pant fits me so good. Like I am just in love with their fitting. Honestly, my nanny, she forced me to take this. She's like, go for it, it's gonna look so good, you can carry it and wear this with some white top. And she was giving me a bunch of ideas and I was like, okay fine, if she wants me to take this, I'm surely gonna take this because it's really colorful. I haven't tried something this much colorful for my lower ever, and that too in a jeans form. So I just thought, let me just try this. There is nothing wrong in experimenting, and come on, I can pull it off if I am going to wear this with a denim shirt, like the light ice blue light denim shirt. And I am still not sure what I'm going to wear with this. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions, because I still need to buy a lot of t-shirts for me, and so I really want recommendation from you guys what I should go for with this right here. So let me know. So now let's move on to the accessories, and the first thing I have here is a bag. And this bag is gifted by my nani, who forced me to take that jeans. And she gifted me this. She was like, this is really pretty, it's very simple, go for these kind of bags, it's gonna really look nice, and it has this chain thing going on. I can just put it in my shoulder, or even I can carry it this way. So I really like this. So I got this one right here from Nani. And then here I got this clutch bag, which is so colorful. I am just in love with this. It looks so pretty. Like, you can just see this, it is so extremely pretty, and I love the color combination in this gray. It has got beautiful pattern going on. If I'm really not in a mood of carrying a bag, I can just go with it. I can put my phone inside this, lip balm will go inside this, I even have a Tic Tac inside this, I just realized. And I love having a mouth freshener, so here it is. And there you go, you just carry this with you, and it's amazing. And then I have these sunglasses. This is how it looks on me. I feel it's really pretty, and I really like this one. Wanted to go for the red cat eye look once, but the person, he had only one and it has a scratch. So I was like, okay, show me something else. So he showed me this one, so I got this. So now let me show you what I have in jewelries, and this is a Nika box if you guys are wondering. I have stored everything in here for the haul itself. Like, I have a lot of jewelries and I have a lot of boxes to keep them, but then just because I was going to show you guys, I kept it all here, and I'm going to show you my first favorite piece of jewelry, and this is this earring, and this is absolutely gorgeous. This is from Pantaloons Jazz. It is so colorful. Like, I was like, I have to have this in my life, because I can wear this one piece with so many outfits. I can wear this with a pink, I can wear this with a purple, green, and it's gonna look so good even with something white. So I thought of getting this. Actually, I got this free, like buy one get one free. So I got this one. It is for $4.99, and I got this one for free. This was for $3.99, and this is so pretty. I don't really have anything in green, if I'm not wrong. Like, I don't have any green Indian wear, but you know, just for these earrings, I'm gonna make something green. I don't know if it happens with you guys or not, but it happens to me so much. I get my jewelries first and then I make outfit for them. How cool that is. And this is the green one. I don't really have anything in this green color. I have one kurti which is not so good. I just wore that for one makeup look only once. That was also for Lodi 2017's look, and I never wore that for the second time. But yeah, I want to make something green just because, you know, I have got these beautiful earrings and I am so obsessed with these. I can pair this with any of my Indian outfits. So, and then again I have two earrings. This is how it looks. These are again from Pantaloons Jazz, and I am so obsessed with both of these. It is so pretty. I can wear this with any outfit. It has got pearl detailing going on. And again, I got this one for free. That I am so happy to get these. It is so pretty. Like, honestly, I started my Durga Puja shopping. Like, where else I can wear such things? And even there is no wedding taking place in my relatives, so you know, I can wear these only for festives, like if I'm going to, you know, like go for a very glamorous look. So I'm sure I'm gonna wear all these things, all these earrings for Durga Puja. So And now moving on to this ring, which is so pretty. I got this from New Market and this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see this. It is so pretty. I really like this. And then I have got these hoops which you have already seen. There you go. Normal golden hoops. And the next thing is another gift from one of my cousins. She gifted me this. This is so gorgeous. And I really want to wear this with one solid color kurti, if that makes sense, like a Indo-Western kurti style, like if I'm wearing a palazzo pant with that and a kurti which is solid one color raw silk. It might be red or fuchsia pink or something navy blue or a black one. It's gonna look so gorgeous. So thank you Dee for gifting me this one. It is so beautiful. And then the next item is from my own store. If you guys don't know, I have a clothing and jewelry line. So this is the one I got it from my own store. This is the tassel necklace. We have in different colors in this one. This is how it looks, and tassels are really in nowadays, so I got this for myself. And then the next thing again from my store, this is the jhumka which has teal green beads on it. I really love this one. You saw me wearing this in one of my video. So this is there, like I really love wearing big earrings, jhumkas, so I got this one from my store again. And then I have got these jhumkas. These are again from my store, and this was out of stock, and then again when I got these stocks, so I thought of buying one for myself. This is how it looks. It has got golden and silver both in it. It is the oxidized one, and this has got red beads in it. It looks really nice. And then I have got these earrings. These are so beautiful. These are teal green again. I am obsessed with teal green. Like my favorite color is black, red, teal green, baby pink, blush pink and white. So these are so gorgeous. I think I'm gonna wear this right now and show you how these looks. It is again from my store. This is really long and very lightweight. So this is how it looks. This is again from my store, as I told you. And then I have some silver jewelries with me. And the first one is this nose pin, which I'm going to wear it and show you. And this has got a very bohemian touch in it, and I think this is really pretty. It's a little big, like for my face it's a bit big, but I think I really don't mind wearing this because it's a statement piece. So this is how it looks, and this is really nice. And then this is a ring again. This is having stone work in it, and it is so beautiful. It has got stones, and even it has got zircon in it. It looks so beautiful, and this is a perfect silver bohemian ring. And then this is another one. This is again a silver ring, and it has got a brown and a black stone with this, and it is so pretty. It has, you know, like a flower kind of pattern. I really like this one as well. And then I have another one. This is again a flower which is having this brown stone, which is very pretty, and this is how it looks. So guys, that's all for this clothing and jewelry haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul video, and I have been collecting these items from 3 to 4 months now. It's not like recent purchase, except the jeans, sunglass and the pantaloons, earrings. Other than that, everything is like pre-purchased, and I just wanted to show you guys. I was waiting for a haul video, so there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have already subscribed to my channel, and if not, please subscribe right now, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoyed this, and let me know which one is your favorite from the list of shopping I have done. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll really love to know from you guys. And that's it for this video. I'm gonna come up with more and more makeup videos, because as you can see, my eyebrows are cleaned up and I really want to do more makeup looks. So if you have any requests, comment down below. I'm gonna come up with loads and lots of makeup looks for you guys. And that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, love you all. Mwah. Bye.
Please click on the images so you can watch my previous videos, and if you really want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are given below, and even you can follow me on my blog page. And for subscribing to my channel, please click on the image, and thank you so much for watching. Please wait for the next one.